Hello again, YouTube and off-road enthusiasts. You're probably wondering what the hell is going on here. Well, I can tell you I didn't wreck it. Nothing bad happened. I just decided that I need to tear it down, give it one good almighty scrubbing, because I took it to a poker run and went to a few places I shouldn't have. It was fun, but I learned something. I need to reroute my wiring a little bit better, and I need to hide it and just run it more neatly and professionally and insulate it better, such as right here. But I figured to give you guys a good perspective also, with all the plastics on everything, you can't get to that bottom radiator with anything. You can't. And as you can see, about right here, the shape of the front shroud, it's packed full of mud in the bottom even after I cleaned it with all the plastics on it still. So I'm going to opt to go with side shields for these from Grizzly online and get the outerwears pre-filter on the front to help mitigate mud and dust from accumulating in the filter or the radiator element. I figured do a little video. Pretty neat seeing this without the plastics. Gives you a whole respect for their engineering aspect. All the bolts are predominantly the same size except for where it goes into the plastics on each side. They're those metric head star bits. Everything's pretty much universal. It's all conformity when it comes to the mounting hardware. You're gonna need a hand though taking the top off. If you have the steel cage, you want to take it off. You're gonna need an extra hand. It's just too cumbersome to handle by yourself. I'm looking into online if anyone has any comments about protective shrouds for back in here for the front part, right around in here on both sides. I'm not too worried about right back in here because of engine heat accumulating up the rear, but more so the front on both sides, right around in here. Plating. A stick went through a guy's razor on the ride we were at. A stick went completely through and up and just grazed his right leg. I've never seen anything like that before, but it makes sense with the speed he was driving and the stick and the angle. It could have been a whole lot worse. But yeah, just a neat little interesting video. Like I said, you guys got any ideas, let me know. Hope you enjoy the video, seeing something as strange as this with all the plastics off.